So this is the incredible local mulch from forests in the area, and the Hubs is hard at work getting it into there. Blue's hard at work as well, being cute. Aren't you, bud? And we've got the trees all mulched over there.
There's some there too.
And over here. We've got the pawpaws over here. And then we got the helper. He's got to follow me around, make sure I'm doing the job. We've got to take these grapes back on here. And then we don't know if we're keeping these. They're actually not raised beds. So we prefer to remove them and then just mulch the whole place. But right now, we're not sure if we're going to do that or not. These were it was mostly tomatoes, like tomatoes. There were some greens here, more tomatoes. They were growing some winter squash here. Compost bin. You could see all the trees over yonder that have been planted. And trellises, which we're going to have to fence. And that's got berries, muscadines, grapes. There we go. So we're just going to make a mound right now. It's the end of February and we had that crazy blizzard. But everything's warming up pretty nicely. This is the guest house that the pipe bursted at. And we have the restoration company coming to help get that fixed. So this is quite hard work, but the cost of this incredible mulch is so much less than buying it in the bags. We had bags before. I don't think we have any left right now, but I'm just gonna go over here and kind of show you, because the last video I did, there's some of the deer fencing that just came, that big old delivery there. Anyways, the last video I did was in the snow, so you couldn't really see the trees very well. And we have a lot of the apples. Oh, this stuff, this is really good stuff. It's called Happy Grow 100% organic compost, which was really good. So we picked some up and we had some delivered as well. But we've got a variety of different apples, pears, persimmons, and this is from Ames Orchard and Nursery. Let's see what we got here. Celebrity apple. We've got common persimmon. There isn't a ton of variety of persimmons that grow here, so we got basically what we could. Looks like that's a Liberty. And what do we have here? A Seckel pear. The neighbors over yonder have kefir pears, and they're really good. They're like a mix of they're quite hard. They taste like an Asian pear, but they're really ugly. Sort of like, I'm trying to remember what the name of these other pears are. Shinko, we love oriental pears. And then we've got some other ones over here. This is called a moon glow. The Hubs planted all these, so I'm not sure what a moon glow actually is. Ayers. Cute alert. Potomac. My husband should really be doing this tour with me, but obviously, so that's another Seckel. Cutie boy. Kefir. That's what it looks like on this picture, but the skin's much more sort of like brownish, rustic sort of looking. And we've got another persimmon, Porter's persimmon, I believe. And some of these trees were here, like that I think was here. And that was here. What do we got here? A black limber twig. That was here. So yeah, there's a brief tour. of the garden and orchard area. You say bye, bud? Cute.